My name is Emma, and I live in a small town. 2 years ago, I started my journey to a zero-waste life. This means I try to make no trash to protect the environment. It was hard at first, but now I love my new lifestyle and feel proud of my choices. Before, I used a lot of plastic every day. I bought plastic bottles for water, plastic bags for shopping, and food in plastic packages. One day I watched a video about pollution. It showed how plastic hurts animals, pollutes rivers, and fills oceans. I felt sad and decided to change my habits to help the planet. First, I stopped using plastic bottles. Now I carry a reusable water bottle made of metal. It's strong, and I take it everywhere, to school, work, and the park. I also use cloth bags for shopping. They are washable and better than plastic. When I buy food, I go to local markets. There I find fresh fruits and vegetables with no plastic packaging. I bring my own containers to carry food home. At home, I recycle everything I can, like paper, glass, and cans. I also compost food scraps, such as vegetable peels, fruit skins, and coffee grounds. Composting turns waste into rich soil for plants. Now my small garden grows delicious tomatoes, herbs, and even strawberries because of my compost. It's exciting to see my plants grow. I also make my own cleaning products. I use simple things like vinegar, lemon, and baking soda. They clean well, smell fresh, and don't harm the environment. Another change is repairing my clothes instead of buying new ones. For example, I fixed a hole in my favorite shirt with a needle and thread. It looks good again, and I feel happy to use it longer. Living a zero-waste life saves me money and makes my home cleaner. I feel good knowing I'm helping the planet. I share my ideas with my friends, and some have started their own zero-waste habits. For example, my friend Lisa now uses a reusable coffee cup, and my brother recycles his old-school papers. It's not always perfect, but every small step makes a difference. I hope my story inspires others to try zero-waste living. It's a fun challenge, and it helps our world stay clean and healthy. If we all do a little, we can make a big change together. Your English gets better with every video. Like, subscribe, and let's keep learning together.